Hey DIYers, my gram used to wear beaded flower brooches in the 1970s. Actually, I don't think she ever got dressed without a pin or a brooch of some kind. Recently, John Bead sent me some brooch bases and some petal beads, and I got to make some flower brooches in honor of my gram. Are you ready to see how fun and easy this is? Let's get making! Until the 19th century, the brooch was an expression of wealth. It was an integral part of the clothing at royal and princely courts and represented a wealthy society that was rooted in tradition and conservative ideas. Brooches from antiquity before the Middle Ages are often called fibula. They were necessary as clothes fasteners, but also often highly decorative and important markers of social status for both men and women. The earliest known beads date back to approximately 100,000 years ago, discovered in a cave known as the Skull Cave in present-day Israel. These ancient beads were made from Nassarius shells and are believed to be among one of the first attempts at decorative jewelry in human history. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want some more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you real soon. Bye!